Hi guys, welcome back to Centurion Gurney. So today in this exciting sprouting video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a few things. So if you guys don't know, there's this website called Fast Growing Trees. It's a tree-based company that sells many trees that all you could talk from flowering shrubs to arborvitaes, evergreens, fruiting trees. Anything you can ask for is on their website. So I'm going to show you a few things that they sent me to try out this year, which I'm really excited for. But me and my dad are going to go ahead and plant 2 of the things they sent me today. So I'm really excited. So let me go ahead and show you the first thing. So right here, you guys, I don't know if you guys could see. Here is the first one right here. This is a gardenia tree right here, as you can see. It's a double blooming gardenia right there, as you guys could see. It's a pretty short tree, but it will grow pretty big. My dad already has a plan in where he wants to plant it, because this one was a gift to him because I ordered it and I decided to give it to him. The next one is right here. They sent me a rose tree, a sunny knockout rose tree right here. Not rose tree, rose shrub, which I'm gonna be loving. It has a lot of buds over here. And then the big one right here. That one is a golden Dorset apple tree. It's a blooming apple tree. As you guys can see, there's barely any soil. Why? The tree was stabilized on this seat until one day it started raining really hard. It fell over and boom. Next thing you know it, my dad tells me once I put it in here, it fell over and a bit more dirt fell, as you can see right here. So that's a bummer. But we're gonna be planting the gardenia tree and the apple tree today. So they're an amazing company. Thank you, Fast Growing Trees, for sending the trees over for me to try out this year. And side note, yes, we do work together. I am one of their influencers, which is amazing. So I'll put their website, Instagram down below, and Facebook down below for you guys to check out. I highly recommend them, so go buy some of their stuff. They have great things for you guys. So I'm gonna just go ahead and set up the camera and you'll see everything that's going on.